Hi, I'm Sam from Raggedy Bits, and I'm going to share with you today how to turn a simple white plate like this, which I found in the thrift store for about, I think it was 20 cents each. I've got about 6 of them to do, and using some Decor stamps from IOD and some stays on ink, I'm going to show you how to transform them into something that you can use for a decorative purpose around your home. So I just made sure that these plates are completely dry and dust free, no bits and pieces on them that are going to obstruct the stamping. And then I'm just going to take the IOD Craquelure, I always get that stamp name incorrect, with my brayer and some stays on ink. This is a stone grey colour. You can really be quite creative with all the different colours, but I just like the sort of antique-y vintage look that it gives when you put it on. So you just load up your brayer, and then I'm just going to put it straight out onto the Crackle-Leak. I'm just going to call it Crackle-Leak. I think it's not called something else, but I always get it confused. Craquelure, I think it's called. Anyway, I'll drop a link below. So I only want this to be light onto the plates, so I'm not going to go be too heavy. And you just simply flip it over and just gently push down. Like so. Peel it off. And as you can see, it gives you a nice sort of crackled look, like it's an aged plate. So we're just going to leave that one to dry, and we'll do the same again for the other 3 I've got. So I can show you 3 different designs, or 4 different designs in total. So I'm just going to leave those to dry for a little bit out in the sun, and then we'll come back and we'll make our designs. Okay, so they're all nice and dry now, and I'm just going to use a couple of different stamp sets from the range. I'm going to use some of the Queen Bee and also some of these floral swag as well. We'll just see how we go. It depends on what we decide to do. So what you do is you just place down your stamp to where you want it to sit, lining it up. You can either just free stamp it, like just do it without the transfer paper, or if there's more than one stamp, you can use just a small cut up piece of the transfer film. You load up your brayer with the ink. Pop it on. And there you have a simple little bee design. Okay, so I'm just going to load up this rose design. Down fairly firmly with this ink. It's quite a thick ink, so that you get all of the design. There we go. Next up, might try a little birdie. 6 different designs that I made using the Decor stamps. I'll just let that dry probably overnight before I do anything with them, and they'll be great little pieces to display around the house. And it just goes to show you how simple it is to turn something that is plain and boring into something pretty for your home. Hope you've enjoyed this fun little DIY project using thrifted plates and Decor stamps. I'll be sure to leave all the links below of all the products that I used, along with the blog post tutorial, which will give you the step-by-step guide to making your own. Don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to bringing you some more fun DIYs.